guys, uthando nesithemba ngeke laba abantu baphila enye life njengamanje kutense it's a lot. And hey, ama-wives awazwani. Hey, khona la uma kwabe ethe enetho ubusuku busazoba bude mosla umacele babuka phansi naphezulu, guys. So it's just like ngeke, this is like so crazy. Oh my gosh. So Umusa, it's the first time he's telling them ukuthi yena umakhwela akasebenzi. I'm like why would you even tell them? It's not a problem. I think like umakhwela said, which mean I can't be taking care of anyone's wife. I think it's enough that umakhwela is taking care of Umpilo. I think she still does actually take care of Umpilo. But hey, yabona Umusa, guys. It's namhlanje wathi indaba engathi kunenkinga la nabafazi bakho wathi omunye naye bangahamba kusho Umusa. Namanje i-release guys isaqhubeka kanti izophela nini? Hayi ngempela abana lesa sitimela kade singena sasemzumbe ecula umayeni phambili ayo vele wabhore kumacele she can't even pretend anymore. She was just like laba benzani kuba nolonto. Uthe nje uMseleku futhi wamiyekisa vele umakhwela umsebenzi because vele ukushadela kaMseleku nje is a job on its own. How? People are like hayibo ama-wise ke they're like lo baba lo uthini manje. And then uMakhomalo was like, how kanti kuyaholela nje ukuhlala kaMseleku ngizidex. You know what, guys? And noma ngwabe ufila ukuthi you know what, mos nathi ngoba sisahlala ngoba vele ama-shift nursing ngiyabona ukuthi kanjani abe nathi masisahlala so thina ke asikaze sicelwe anyways ukuthi sihlale. Imagine uMakhwela yena uhlalisiwe naye uMakhwela akekho serious. I remember I've said so many times for the past at least 3 weeks ukuthi uMakhwela is not serious about her life. Why would you listen to someone else? Yeah, including your husband even. I jealous like a housewife or a housewife and an ex, you know. Also, the way I see it, I think it's cut this scam. Makhomalo sesiphelile. You understand the pala there's a new wife. I get to believe when our own number last at some stage. So now they don't even take you serious. Just imagine in that whole session. Umbusanje was just like, please, you know, around Makhomalo. I was like, wow. So, in a way, uMakhwela has actually replaced uMakhomalo Masusubuka. Ngapha uMakhwela ngathi into zokuzala she wasn't ready. The way I see it. But if it's at the same time you remember ukuthi just after uMakhomalo had problems, ukuthi uMakhomalo was the last wife, right? At some stage. And then Makhwela came. And then she feels like, okay, abasanandaba nami vele mina angiyitholi vele ingane. Like how she was saying, I didn't bring anything enough to this family, you know. And then uMakhwela, Umusa ufuna uMakhwela benengane eningi. And I don't think uMakhwela is ready for motherhood. Inhlobo vele ngicela isasile ingane igalayo. Like I can't. Some mothers will go through things like that. They're like, can you take them away from me? Not because you are a bad mother, guys. It's more like, oh, I need a break. So, and Umusa, the way I say it, I think, hence, into umiyekisa umsebenzi ufuna ingane ezu 100 Umusa from uMakhwela literally.